Hey guys, in this Effect House tutorial, I want to show you how you can add the date and the time to your TikTok effects in Effect House. So let's start. Hey again, so let's add date and time to our effect here in Effect House. The first thing we will do is to set up our scene. So we have two text elements here for the date and also for the time. So we go to our hierarchy panel and here we click on add object. Then we go to 2D and then we go to 2D text. So this will be our date. So we will rename this to date and also set the text to date. This is just a placeholder text because when the effect is ready, this will be changed to the actual date. And then we can just duplicate this layer and set the date. And this will be the time. And also I will change this text to time. At the moment, both of the texts are overlaying each other's, but we can change this by just selecting one of them here in the hierarchy and then drag them up or down here. So now we have the date and also we have the time. Now it's time to do some visual scripting. So we go to the visual scripting panel and then we click on the plus to add a new node. And here we search for the get system time node. And this get system time node gives us the following outputs. It gives us the year, the month, the day, the hour, minute, and second. This will be a number, as you can see here. So we have to find out a way to convert them to a string, then set all the strings together, and then do the output to this layer. So the first thing I want to add is an append string node. This will be the node which combines all our data to one single string. So we go to append arrays and add this. So I will display the date like we do it here in Austria. So it will be day.month.year. But you can do it in your own format as you like. So the first thing we want to add is the day. So this goes to the A input of the append. Oh, I have created an append arrays. I don't want to add an append arrays. I want to add an append string. So now we have this. We don't have to check the new line option because when we do this, there will be a new line created on every string. But we want this in one line. So the first thing will be day. So this will be our string 0. When we do this, it seems like we can't connect it, but when we release the mouse, Effect House is automatically creating this data convert to number to string. So and here we already have the 23. Then I want to have a dot. This will be string 1. Then we want to add another string. This will be the month. Then we also want to have another string, and this will be another dot, and then new string, and here we will have the year. But of course, instead of the dots, you can do slashes or whatever you want. And now our first string is ready to get here on our screen. So we have to change it here that it is outputted here. So we go to the left hand side to our date object. Then we go to the right hand side. Here we have our text which says date. Here next to text there is this little circle. When you click on it, you can click on set text and then you can change the new string. And then you have to connect the new string from the append strings node to the value input of the set text. And now we also have to trigger this node, so it also sets this text, and this will be an update node. So this gets updated all the time. And when we do this, You can already see that here we have our date here on the screen. I will change now the date, the sign of this, so it also has an outline. So I select the date, go down to outline, click on the plus, and my outline color will be black, so it looks more like TikTok. And now we also want to create the time. So for this, we also need the append strings node, so we can duplicate this or create a new append strings node. And here we have our hour, then the minutes, and then we also can have the seconds. So the first string will be the hour, then the divider in whatever style you want it, then new string, this will be the minutes, then another new string, also the divider, and then we will have our seconds. Now we also want to display it here, so we can go to time, to our object on the left hand side, and then go to the right hand side to the text property. Next to text is this little circle, click on it and click on set text. Then connect this new string output from the append strings to the value input of the set text, and then create also a new node, update node, and then select this to the enter input. And now you also have the time, the hours, the minutes, and also the seconds, which are getting updated every second. Now I also want to change the style of it, so I add an outline, and also I will change the size of it. So this will be 100, and also date will be 100. So now we can rearrange them, and now we have the date and also here our time on the screen on our TikTok effect. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new on this channel, it would be nice when you subscribe to it. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!